Welcome to the Orange County Association of Realtors OCR Video Library Series. Today's video is an OCR announcement on its new member benefit called MLS Touch. For years, members have requested a state-of-the-art app which provides MLS access on mobile devices to access all active, pending, and off-market listings quickly and easily. OCR offers to its members free access to MLS Touch. This is an annual savings of $99 per year. To have access to this wonderful tool, first download the app from either the App Store or Play Store. Once the app has been downloaded, now tap on it to access it. Because this is your first time accessing the app, you must first select the state. In this case, select California. Now scroll down on the list to choose your MLS system. Tap to select CRMLS. Input your MLS user ID. Input the password for the MLS. Then tap on where it says Sign In. Now you are logged into MLS Touch. In MLS Touch, you are able to run various types of searches on various property types. Because you are using your MLS IDs, you will see the entire MLS listing. Simply tap on the listings that you'd like to view and you will see the Agent Full Report. After you go into a listing, tap on the categories to see the information, or swipe the pictures to view the photographs of the listing. Other easy-to-use features of MLS Touch will help you find properties quickly when you're out in the field showing homes. Features like the drawing tool to pull properties in an area, or the GPS locator to find those properties close to you, just to name a few tools that you can use. Look for other enhanced tools which will enhance your MLS Touch experience even more. Thank you for watching today's video announcement on MLS Touch. For more information and videos, please visit our website at www.ocr.org. Have a great day.